It's very sad. I'm trying my best to stay strong for my smaller brother, but I wonder in tears, memories, tears. It's very hard. Trying to sleep, close my eye, all the time I can't see my mother. I was at home and I got the news. Same time I ran out and head to where she was. I saw her. I heard that the guys attack her from behind. That's the only way she did a fight back. And she's a fighter. She would have fight back. She was facing down. I was the one that took her up and I see how she dropped back to the side. Then time I realized that she's really dead.
I never did I look say this a gonna happen.
Yes.
Cause the last me say on Thursday, we are not sit down, she a come my ear. And me say my go over Penwood. And yesterday we get the news, she some Roger stab her and kill her. Nobody did that look say my gonna do that. Nobody at all. They never in no argument. And baby father help him farm up our ground. So he's jealous and saying gone back to the baby father.
Which was not so.
No, it never go say only help him farm up the place. I'm just jealous over Lorraine. You know, like Lorraine, not if you pass and say I, I'm just jealous.
I was in the bush here weeding, and while weeding, Lorraine shot me, and Lorraine was coming towards here. Just before Lorraine come beside me with the breakfast, this guy come from nowhere, hug up Lorraine and give Lorraine a stab. After he give Lorraine a stab, Lorraine said, please just save me just for my kid, and he give Lorraine the second one. And in between, he hug up Lorraine so tight, coming towards here, and all along here. And I seen the blood start to spill out here.
Don't turn your face.
And from the blood start to spill out here, she come right down here. And that's when she collapsed. Collapsed and then turn over, and then that's it there. And in between that, I was shouting, help, 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 murder, murder, murder. And there's nobody to come towards me. Up till I have a sore shout.
He may have it in an intention. I have one neighbor when go ask a fark and tell the neighbor say he might go do a crime. He feel let him in fark. And yesterday morning hurling go back
But
to the neighbor.
didn't let him.
No, the neighbor did let out the fark already. He never get the fark from the neighbor. And he go back yesterday morning go say, when the fark them man they have a crime for God we know. So to me now, me feel same with that dig a hole and kill Lorraine and throw him down in the wall.